Hey everyone, Scott here from sleepinreview.com, coming to you from the cheapest room at the TWA Hotel, John F. Kennedy Airport, New York, JFK, and there's nothing cheap about this. This is nice. This is a typical room here at the TWA Hotel. I've stayed here probably 5 or 6 times over the years, and they all kind of look like this. They've all got a big window there, the TV hanging over the bed, and this little work table here, and it's all basically the same. However, this room is cheap because there is no view. Well, you got a view of the terminal, which you can't really see. There's the other part of the TWA Hotel right over here. And then there's a parking garage over here on the left, and the terminal straight ahead. That's actually the walkway, and that's a connector. Terminal 5 is actually right there. You can't really see it, but anyway, that is why it's cheap, and there is a TWA bus or a van down there. That's awesome. But yeah, so this is pretty nice. Awesome hotel. Like I said, I've stayed here 5 or 6 times already. Every time it's just so fun. Even if you're not into airlines and air travel, just the nostalgia of this place is just amazing. I love it. The only thing is, it's starting to show some wear. I think this place opened in 2019, I believe, 2018, but it's starting to look a little bit rough around the edges, which I'll show you. Otherwise, this is pretty nice. And I don't even know where to begin because it's a small room, but it's okay. There's really the phone. It's a rotary phone, for crying out loud. When's the last time you saw one of these? It's a real working rotary phone. Wireless charger for your devices, for your phone. And what's kind of neat about this hotel room, or this hotel, there are no garbage bins. If you have any garbage, just place it here, and the cleaners will take it away. So that's pretty cool. And there's always some really cool nostalgic magazines or vintage magazines, and Trans World Flight Center, the story of the TWA Flight Center. That's pretty cool. This Life magazine is from 1962. That's pretty cool. Got a container full of TWA pencils. I almost said pretzels. Feeling a little bit hungry. My bag, a little seating area, and a little refrigerator, and some minibar action here. Kind of fancy stuff. And check out this light switch. It's like an old vintage aircraft style light switch. Like I said, everything about this hotel is just really cool. The only thing is that, as I was saying, it's kind of falling apart, and it's getting a little bit dated. Things need to be updated. But yeah, bathrooms look good though. They're clean, still fresh and new, like the day it opened way back in 2018, 2019, which is pretty cool. I like that. And then the shower, huge shower, no door, unfortunately, so it's going to be a little bit cold. And then TWA themed soaps, shampoo, conditioner, body cleaner. Awesome stuff. Awesome stuff. Gold hangers. It's far from being luxurious, but this is it's just fun. That's all it is. And convenient. It's connected directly to Terminal 5 here at JFK. You can reach this hotel from all terminals via the AirTrain, which runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And it's convenient. I just flew in from Terminal 8, or into Terminal 8, hopped on the AirTrain, and I was over here in 10 minutes. It's super easy. I didn't even need to go outside. I'm just wearing a thin shirt, and it's 30 degrees out there, and I don't know if you can tell, there's a lot of snow. There was just a big, huge snowstorm here, and anyway, it's nice. Didn't have to go outside. Anyway, I love this hotel. Every time I come here, it's awesome. No complaints from me. It's kind of funny that the TV is bigger than the bed almost. But anyway, that's it for me. If you have any questions, let me know. Like I said, I've stayed here many times. I know the drill. I've stayed in the fancy Howard Hughes suite once. That was pretty cool. Much better than this, but most of the time, most of the rooms, they look like this, and they're nice. And if you think it's too expensive for what it is, trust me, it's worth doing at least once. It's fun, it's convenient more than anything. It is the closest hotel to the JFK Airport in New York, and it's worth it every time for me. Definitely. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.